It's a hailstorm! Now, like it stops and then it starts again. You see? Oh, whoa! What was that? Was that you? Oh my gosh! Look at this! Crazy! Oh my gosh! Hailstorm! God, you can barely hear yourself. Look at this, the ground is turning white because of the hail. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that car. Look at this. Look at this. It's all of our hood.
Look, Mommy. Give me the camera.
I can't because it's on the charger right now.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at our road. It looks like it's snowing, but it's not. It's actually hailing.
Mom, look. Turn the camera this way. See?
It's on our window. It's what she was trying to say.
This black part right here.
Yeah, they can see. Okay, you see it? Then it stops. And then it'll go again. This is so crazy. Like it stops and goes.
Stops and goes. Stops and goes.
Oh my goodness. It was actually a pretty nice day today, and all of a sudden we just got hit with heavy rain and hail. Let's see if it'll start again, because every minute it'll start. Let's see if it'll go again. Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. We were just live broadcasting on YouNow. Here. We were just live broadcasting on YouNow. So now that, you know, we started going, it was raining. It was raining, and then as soon not even 5 minutes, it just started hailing. So it's calmed down now. It's calmed now. It's starting to rain again. But today is a crazy day. Like we just got done live broadcasting.
Right here, but I can see the hail. See how the hail is.
Crazy. And my daughter's watching cartoons in the back. This is crazy. I'll turn you guys back around.
No, I'm looking at the hail. That's what I'm looking at.
Well, yeah, but you got your cartoon going on too. No, I still got hail on my hood. It's melting off from the heat. This is crazy though.
Oh,
My goodness.
Maybe it'll pop up right over there.
Here. You see? Look at that. We got blue skies, kind of. But it's been hailing. It's crazy. It's doing nothing now.
I'm
It's
just covering him because I don't want him to see them and start crying.
Oh, he won't until you.
When I just open this, like he's peekaboo, he just starts spraying stuff.
Oh my goodness. I guess this will be a second video for this week, along with the live broadcast that we did earlier. This is crazy. Crazy.
Josiah's always cute every day.
Yeah. What are you watching back there? What kind of movie is it?